in my phone. When it's burning in my bag of treats. Welcome back to another episode, guys. This one is going to be a banger, but before we get started, take a second and please hit the like button. Take your time, hit it. All right, let's get into it. Guys, my name is Kevin. Today we're at Santa Cristina Beach, northern Spain, Galicia. We've got our long 7'6" rod, and we're going to be fishing with some paddle tails for lubina in this beautiful estuary mouth. I've got some hot coffee and biscuits that we're going to have in just a second, but I can't resist because there are fish surfacing. Once again, got to give a shout out to Sergio from my help at Decathlon. He's the one who recommended these lures. The water does seem quite clear, so I'm going with this olive green. Maybe later on we'll try that Lumo one over there. Sun has not even come up yet, and we're ready to throw our first lure. This is the little jig that we're using. All right, so we're just making our way around this estuary. It goes around to the other side. The main sea is on that side there. Hopefully we can get onto something large, but I'm definitely itching for that cup of coffee, that's for sure. Alright, so nothing on the first couple of casts, but that's alright. Let's go have some coffee and biscuits quickly. Let's put it right down there. That sun is racing up, and what a perfect time for some hot coffee. Oh, I've had these crusty old lures in my bag for so long. Today's the day that we finally test them out. Oh, so today I'm dressed all sorts of funny. I got my long tracksuit pants on, pretty much my pajamas. We're gonna get changed now. I just wanted to get down here as early as possible. But from here, you can kind of see the estuary a lot better. It goes all the way around to the other side there. Oh, my biscuit. Oh. Oh no. Alright, let's tie up and go fishing. So this is him. Alright, so fun session, no fish unfortunately, but we're not done yet because I am starving. So we're gonna make ourselves something to eat in the car park before we go back home. Alright, so I had an egg and mushrooms, so we're not going to use that. Definitely some pepperoni, a little bit of butter. I think I'm going to have to just spread this around. Yeah, just like that. Bit of basil, why not? Cherry tomatoes, save those for later. Cheese. And of course, chips. Pile it up, pile it up. All of the sand from the GoPro just went everywhere on my sandwich. Still some steaming hot coffee. Now to give it the crunch. Cheers. Now that is an interesting flavor. Pepperoni, cheese, chips, basil, and sand. Other guys playing volleyball on the beach. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching that mission. Now I know no fish, but I mean this place is a difficult place to catch fish, but we're gonna get it one day. Thank you so much for joining me on that mission. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of stuff. I want my videos to get a little bit more personal, show you a little bit more of my life and things like that, not just about catching a fish. So you guys are coming along on all of my missions. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next mission.